Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
MLA jong seng Kongres na Nongpoh Constituency, uba Meral Bonds im, haka arpui terik Jimbym arjar arpo, ula Jingpynshai na Sorkar jela. Haka bede baka kubur kablami, haka wini ikot kubur kasi, haka khalai terik Jimbym arjar arpo, kabaong, berngam ki Asha, siu no kapisa laningin sange terikam. Habon ra igini kaman apo ka dorbar mang tengka jong kayeng dorbar tauan. Kabakta yaki accredited social health activist. Uba Meral Bon ula ong bak Sorkar kam day ban shushim sting. Ya ka jingtre jong ki Asha na ba ki day kinong tre ki ba khamat jong ka koi ka khia ki ba men leit rung hadu ki tengkong yeng jong ki brio ha ki babun ki shnong ki thau jong ka jela.
Sir, there are around almost 7,000, more than 6,000 and almost 7,000 Asha in our state. Especially in the middle of the war, when we are fighting this COVID-19, these are the people who are there at the front, working day and night in different localities. They are the ones who bridge the gap between the health system so that it can reach to the public at large. They are there since their inception in 2005. Ever since this pandemic erupted, they have been engaging, especially in updating the health status of those people who have been quarantined in different places. The non-payment of the dues and the incentive of our Ashas is not new in our state. It has been there in the past also. Perhaps we have seen, despite all these difficulties, despite the irregular payment to all of our beloved Asha of the whole state, still they are performing their duties with passion. Sir, in present circumstances, Asha and other health workers of the health department, as I have said before, especially now when many people from outside the state, those stranded students, stranded laborers, stranded workers who are working in organized sector outside the state, they have come back, staying in different quarantine center, in community quarantine center, in home quarantine center, and so on. And most of them, they have come from the state, which has been declared as a red zone. So, it is very important that we have to look at the safety of these people. I'm not saying that I'm talking about only Asha workers. Each and everyone who are there as a frontline worker, be it from the health department, be it from the district administration, each and everyone, be it the headman, the community leader, all of them who are working day and night. We are concerned, each and every one of us, we are concerned about the safety of each and every one. Yes, we have with high regards to all of them, those who have spent their time in donating their valuable time in fighting this COVID-19. We know in due course of time, when this particular Asha, with other health workers, with A&M orders, when they went to update the status of these people in their home or in any quarantine center, even though the protocol is that they should not go near to them by asking their status, but still, we need precaution for their safety for each and every one. Apart from the regular gloves and the mask which has been issued to them, it is important, like the PPEs, to be issued to them. It's not that they have to wear all the time, but for precaution. All the time we are listening the statement given by the government, by the health department, that it is not needed for them. We understand that, but still, for precaution, especially for those Ashas and health workers who are going to update the people in coming from red zone area. We have to, from the government, they have to take this initiative to identify and at the same time to hand over to them this protection kit so that it will be safety for all of them. So the government should earmark more fund for healthcare system and to provide the due payment. These Ashas for long they have been running from pillar to post, they have been protesting, they have come to the street to protest, to ask for their dues. So it is high time that their dues and their incentive has to be paid immediately so that it will be a great help for them also. So there are issues with the incentive. As we know, the central sponsored incentive like the universal immunization program, because apart from daily fight against COVID-19, they have to attend their regular duty as Ashas and health workers at the villages and the different localities. As I have said, that UIP and then NHM and then the RCH, the reproductive child and maternal health, they used to get this monthly incentive of 2,000. This also, it is very irregular. I want to bring into the notice of the House through this call attention through you, sir, that this has to be immediately, it has to be clear. Another one is that the expenditure has been met by the state, like the Asha benefit schemes and then the Meghalaya maternity benefit scheme. Few districts have been paid, certain has been left. Asha in the urban areas has been paid, but those in the rural area, they have not paid till now. Few have been paid, like Asha benefit scheme, like in Ribhoi district has been paid till 2018. But this maternity, Meghalaya maternity benefit scheme, it has not been paid for the last so many years. So I want to urge the government, the health department, to look into this so that their dues and incentive they will get in due course of time. Another issue is that, sir, in the process of fighting this COVID-19, Asha has been fixed to give 1,000 per month during this fighting for COVID-19. They haven't received till now, apart from updating the status of the person who is coming from outside, apart from going from house to house to take sputum of the TB patient, apart from going to taking blood slide of malaria patient. Now recently they have been asked to collect the data of the person above 60 years of age in our state. They have been entrusted with this task. There are a huge workload to all of them. They don't even have time to sleep and to do other work also. That's why I want to ask the government that this token amount of 1,000 rupees per month during the fight, during the COVID-19, it is very less. I urge the government, it should be increased to 2,000 or 3,000 per month. If we see the amount of work they are doing at the ground with the other health worker, we cannot put at par with them with the other respected health worker who are getting salaried every month. These are the people who are we need to see to them that the government and the department need to look properly so that they will get their incentive. At the same time, the 1,000 rupees, it has to be increased to 2,000 or 3,000 so that it will be benefit for them. At the same time, it will be at par with the work they are doing at the ground. Sir, I hope that I have bring into the attention of the government these few points. Thank you for allowing me to raise this call attention notice. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, however, sir, in view of the current COVID-19 pandemic, the full amounts of rupees 2,000 per month per Asha will be paid irrespective of their performance for the periods of January 2020 to June 2020 as per the Government of India directives. Over and above an additional amount of rupees 1,000 per month per Ashas has also been approved by the Government of India to be paid as incentive to Ashas for carrying out the COVID-19 activities from the period for their engagement, that is between January 2020 up to June 2020. For this, as stated at the serial number 4 and 5 above, an amount of tune of rupees 10 crore 14 lakhs 67,000 in total has been released to the district on the 5th May 2020, which is inclusive the pending dues to be paid to the Ashas under the National Health Missions. It may also be mentioned that during the March 2018-19, rupees 25 crore 36 lakhs 91,500 have been sanctioned by the government under the maternity benefit scheme to and Asha's benefit scheme to clear the dues of the Ashas. The total amount paid by the district till 31st March 2019 is rupees 22 crore 70 lakh 31,552. Payment by the district health societies are ongoing for all backlog from inception of the scheme of March 2018, and the funds available with the district on 31st March 2020 is rupees 5 crore 12 lakh 73,601. The above figures are provisional, and the actual test status will be presented on completions of audit. Proposal for further release would be presented to the government along with the audited reports. Apart from the above, during COVID-19 pandemic, each Asha of each Kasils have been provided with the following materials and enable them to carry out the activities related to COVID-19. 3-ply masks, disposable, reusable cloth masks, hand wash, hand sanitizer, gloves. In addition, the department has issued 500 numbers of raincoats on the 12th May 2020 to distributed for the Ashas in the East Kasils district and assigned duty in the containment zone, and also PPE whenever necessary. Asha other district green zone have been provided with 3-ply masks, disposable, reusable clothes masks, and hand wash and hand sanitizer to enable to carrying out the ongoing essential health services. So I hope I have been able to satisfy the honorable member with my reply, sir. Thank you.